Hey gamer, this is Firestorm17. Welcome to my video channel. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button. And if you haven't visited my website, please go to Firestorm17wowclassroom.com to see a list of my other World of Warships videos and to sign up for my email list. Now we're going to start today's class in the port screen. This will be the first screen that shows up when you finally download the game. You will end up with what you see here with these tier 1 cruisers across the bottom here. This is your ship inventory. All the ships you will get from now until the end of your playing will be across the bottom. The ship you're seeing right now is a tier 10 Shimakaze destroyer. So let's get on with this. We'll go down to the tier 1. This is a Japanese cruiser. Tier 1s only run cruisers. There's no destroyers, battleships, or aircraft carriers. So you just need to pick any one of these, let's see, what is it, 7 different ships from 7 different countries. Okay, if you wanted to change a ship, you just put your arrow across the ship that you want, click on it, and it'll appear for you. Now, the next part of this is, I'm calling it a filter board. And what you can do is set parameters for the tier and the type and the nation of ships. This comes into play, or comes in handy, once you start moving up in the tiers and you start accumulating different ships. It will help you pick out a specific ship if you're running in a tournament or a special event and you can only use certain types of ships. Like if you needed just cruisers, you could go click on that and it would just bring up across the bottom here all the cruisers that are tier 1. If you take that off, it will bring up just cruisers that you have in your inventory. And, that includes all of your all the nations here. So, let me show you this. You're only going to start with 7 cruisers, but eventually you're going to get a number of ships. Right now I have over 100. So what I do is I click on this carousel view, and it compacts it. It can go to 4, which is what I have it on. It stacks them 4 across, or 4 up and down and then all the way across. Or you can do 2, which is 1, 2, or 3 if you wish. But let me show you this. Here we have all my ships that are available, and if I wanted to run just tier 8, because I have them, I would click on that and it would show me all the tier 8 cruisers that I have available to me. Right here, a Japanese, a US, and a British. Those are the 4 tier 8 cruisers I have. If I wanted my tier 4s, I would click on tier 4s and I would show all my tier 4s. 2 Japanese, 1 US, 1 Russian, and 1 British. So that's what this information board here is for. To help find the type of ship or ships that you would like to run for the day. So, now that that's done, this is just a short video to introduce you to this ship inventory and how to select your ships. I hope you've enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you still have any questions, email me at support@firestorm17 wowclassroom.com or see my website link below. And again, please be sure to subscribe. And I will see you in the next video or in battle. Good luck and have fun.